Hello, I'm Christina with Scraps of Love, and today I'm going to share with you a cutter. It's called Cutterpillar Pro. I have it in both the small size and in the full size version. Very similar product. They have a LED illumination here. It does take 4 batteries, which I unfortunately could not find this afternoon. So that way bright light shows where you're going to be trimming, so that's easy enough to see. And then I cut a variety of papers so that we could get a feel for things. There is a nice bar, like lip here, so that you can put your paper up along the edge. And one of the downfalls I found with the cutter is that if it's under an inch, it's going to be difficult to cut. So you need to make sure that you're cutting full sizes or for cards and things like that. But if you have to cut a bunch of smaller pieces, it's going to make it a little more difficult. All right, so I also found, so I'm going to put this in like I'm going to do a card. So I'm going to put this in at the 5.5 inch, and then it's a rotary type blade. And so then you push just lightly and run it along that metal edge there, and it does a nice smooth cut for you. So that then when I hold my card, this piece I have not scored, and I can tell this might give me a little trouble on cracking, but you then have a nice even edge. All right, so I tried a couple different papers. This is a two-tone cardstock, and it cut perfectly. This here is Cutterpillar paper, so it's a little heavier. And there again, it goes either direction, and it cut just fine. Then I also tried it on the lightweight chipboard that we sell. And there again, lining it up with that lip. And cuts beautifully, nice and clean edge. I did find that with the medium chipboard, and the medium graphics chipboard is really heavy, so it does not cut nearly as well. It kind of gives you more of a stress and pull, so I wouldn't recommend this one for cutting your heavy. It really doesn't. It's really too difficult, and I would say that probably in the long run would end up breaking your cutter. So I find this to be great for cutting anything under medium weight chipboard. Okay, nice even cuts, and easy to do. All right, and just for giggles, let's try putting 2 sheets and see how it does. So I'm going to put the green underneath so that we can actually see it. And, oh yeah. So if you're doing lots of card making and need to cut multiples, this one does really great. All right, so I would say that would be a yes on multiple sheets of paper and cutting. All right, thanks for watching.